Many people use a powered air purifying respirator, or PAPR for short, for respiratory protection at work. That consists of a battery-powered blower that draws air through a filter, up through a hose to a headpiece. There's a variety of headpieces that can be used with a PAPR unit. This one's the 3M VersaFlow. Now, many people use a P3 dust filter like this, or particle filter. That's used in a variety of high dust workplaces. People may not realise though that there's also a variety of gas and vapour filters. Some of the common ones include organic vapour filters, maybe for the horticulture industry for spraying herbicide, maybe for spraying pesticide, maybe for spraying a variety of paints, not 2-pack paints, but many other paints. There's also vapour and gas filters for acid gases and even for mercury. Speak with the team at your local SafetyQuip branch for advice and specific information on your particular work scenario.